Today on Tire Meets Ground Detailing and Service, I will be showing you what I do on a cleaning a rim and tire. As you can tell, the car was pretty clean, not really much built up of debris, mud, dirt. Right here I'm using the Blackfire iron remover. Didn't really need to use it, but has some built up of brake dust. I did get it really clean, but I had a feeling I didn't need to use it. This is the Super Clean degreaser. I believe diluted 4-to-1. Just spraying it everywhere. So it's pretty much a degreaser. Get it real cheap from Walmart. I use it for interiors, rims and tires. I even use it for bug remover for the front with a bug sponge. Good old wheel brush, just scrubbing the tire down. I believe this one's gonna be like a real kind of like soft fender brush I'm about to grab with a long handle. I am right. Just getting getting everything off as fast and easy as possible as I can. And you can see right here, just comes right off. Scrub, 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 scrub. I think I might get. I don't think I got it from Harbor Freight, but it's been pretty good in my arsenal. Good old lug nut brush. I did have the boar hair ones. They sucked. These are kind of like a nylon, I believe. I have to double check on that. And look at that, super clean. Look at the brake dust coming off. It was actually a beautiful day. Lately in South Louisiana, it's just been rainy, gloomy, overcast. Then with the grinding season forming, it's been terrible. That Toyota 4Runner recently actually did a paint correction on it. Just a one step. I have a video, but I forgot to do a after video of it. It was actually pretty clean right there. Probably didn't even have to re-clean it. I think in the right where the spokes meets the rims, where no more buildups. I was just trying to get it a little bit cleaner. Again, just going re-over it. Scrubbing it again. This vehicle is actually has been washed and maintained really well in its life. I think this is a wash bed I'm using. Cool, I think it was dirty. Supposed to be white. It was dirty. Good old wheel brush. I usually wear glasses, but I have my contacts in that day, I believe. Get in them spokes, boy. Rinse off everything. Trying to get everything away from the customer's house into the road. You can see there was still some stuff built up in there that I got off. It was a little bit cleaner. Nice and clean. I usually come back with a I actually use the water-based interior dressing, and I use that for the tires. The video's ending. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.